In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gallery View in Notion. Let's take a closer look at how to create a visually appealing and organized space for your projects or ideas using the Gallery View feature. First, you'll want to open the page in Notion where you'd like to set up your gallery. Once your page is open, simply type in the command/gallery into the text input area. As you begin typing, you'll notice a drop-down menu suggesting various block options, and you'll see Gallery View. You'll want to select it from this list to create a new gallery on your page. This command is a quick and efficient way to get started, and it lets Notion know you want to structure your information in a gallery format. After you've enabled Gallery View on your selected page, the next step is to click on the Gallery View itself. This option is important because it allows you to tailor the gallery setup to fit your specific needs. Whether you're organizing a collection of photographs, recipes, or in this case, something like a toolkit, this step sets the foundation for how your items will be displayed visually. Once your gallery has been established, it's time to start populating it with content. You'll need to click on plus new page within the gallery, which will open a fresh page specifically designed to house individual entries. In this example, we're going to be creating a toolkit to organize various codes. Although I'm focusing on codes in this demonstration, you can adapt these instructions for organizing any kind of digital or physical items. When crafting your toolkit, consider implementing a consistent naming convention, tagging system, or categorization method for your new pages. This will help you maintain order as your collection grows and ensure easy access to what you need later on. You might add descriptive titles, attach files, write notes, or link related resources to each new page you create. Notion's flexibility really allows you to make these entries as detailed or as simple as your project demands. Finally, don't hesitate to personalize the aesthetics of your gallery. Notion allows you to customize covers, icons, and page layouts, which can make your workspace more engaging and visually coherent. These small tweaks might just make navigating your codes or concepts a bit more inspiring and enjoyable. Experiment with different styles to see what works best for you. And there you have it, your very own Gallery View workspace in Notion, perfectly tailored to organize your codes or any other projects. Using the gallery layout not only helps in grouping and visualizing your content effectively, but can also transform your workflow into something much more intuitive and enjoyable. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this guide helps you utilize Notion to its full potential.